Alright, this is a video starting from the upper pit. There's the production room over here, the mechanic benches. This is the upper pit on the right hand side. We've got 2 pumps up here. Honestly don't know what those are, but I think that they're just parts. This whole wall is motors and some gear reducers. On the other side, what I have Chuck working on right now, these are all the rebuilt items that we have, and we're trying to consolidate these lists and make sure that we have everything that is rebuilt up on eBay. To my understanding, that's not really what you want to see, so I'm gonna proceed down to the rest of the warehouse. All of the things that we have rebuilt, we are reconciling with the current list on eBay, and they will be listed on eBay within the week. So don't worry about the rebuilds for the moment. Let's look at all the other crap that we have up here. Alright, this is the right wall of the lower pit. To my understanding, most of these are centrifugal. A lot of these are Goulds and Durco. Obviously, there's a whole lot of them right here on the ground because we are running out of room on the shelves. But here are the shelves. Let me move this out of the way just a little bit. This is the bottom shelf, or on the ground. Here's the next shelf up. The shelf above that, a little harder for me to see, but hopefully you can get somewhat of an idea about what's up there. Here's the next shelf over. Obviously some more centrifugal pumps. It looks like maybe that's a stainless steel centrifugal there on the right hand side on that shelf. Next shelf down, some more pumps, centrifugal pumps, and we got some hose here. We got a Gorman Rupp over there on the left, a couple other pumps. There's another pallet that's sitting out on the floor. The next set of shelves here. Lots of rather large pumps. I think all of these maybe Gorman Rupps, or maybe mostly Gorman Rupps. I'm not sure what that is back there, that silver one. Here's some very nice, very large looking pumps. Another big, I'm not even really sure what that is. Here's the next shelf up. There's actually even a shelf way up there which has a couple of rebuilt pumps, which I believe are Goulds. Chuck is going to take a couple of those down, so we make sure we get them in our inventory. Here's the next shelf up and over. Obviously, there's at least one rebuilt pump up there. A few other pumps as well. Next shelf down. Maybe a stainless steel over there on the left. I'm not really sure. There's another shelf. Second from the ground. Looks like starting to get some of these. That's maybe even looks like a Viking pump right there. A couple of Gorman Rupps there on the right. Down here on the bottom, we've got a couple of Blackmer pumps here on the left hand side, and honestly I'm not sure what those are on the right. Here is yet another skid that's down here on the floor. And the next one over. Here's some Blackmer pumps. And honestly, I'm not sure what's behind this crate pallet thing. Let's see. It's a Gould's pump. Looks like a fairly large one. There's the port. It's another pump down here. This actually may have been one of the ones we just got in. South Bend Industrial, I believe we just bought that pump. Here's the next shelf up. Another shelf, mostly smaller Blackmers. I think they're around 2 inch, 2.5 inch maybe. And as you go up, there's some other pumps, maybe some more Blackmers, and then way up there are valves, some ball valves, I believe. The next on the top here, small Blackmer pumps, maybe some more valves, and then I believe that these are up here. There's a Flowserve 6 inch, I think that's a 6 inch duplex. There's some skids, I believe, on the left hand side there. Over here is, I guess that's a Blackmer, and not really sure what that one on the left is. Very rusty. It's a Durco 3x3. Wonder if that's self-priming. Here's a Plenty pump. A few other things in the back there. Down here, honestly, it's kind of a mixed palette. Looks like some meters and I don't know what else. Got that. Is that a... No, that's a Durco. I'm not sure if that's a strainer or what that is hanging off. And then there's something else here in the back. Honestly, can't really tell what that is. But it's definitely a centrifugal pump. Here's a large, I believe there's a basket filter. Let's see. Filter rate. Should be able to see all of that info. And that's what Jim said, or marked on it, or somebody marked on it anyway. Actually, here's one of our tags. Filter-Rite 6x6 stainless steel W1 floor, which is where we're at. So anyway, that is the entirety of the right wall in the lower pit. Here's the left wall. This is actually the test tank that we have been building and working on. We've got some belt-driven pumps down here. Not sure if these are Corkins or if these are actually the Blackmers that we've had. They say pumps from Canada. Let's see. It says Pump of Canada Ltd. I think that these are the Corkin pumps, but honestly, I'm not really sure. Got a very large motor right there. This looks like a Smith meter and maybe a strainer or something. Can't really tell from where I am. Up there we got a Gould's. Looks like a 6x6. Can't really see much else than that. There's a motor. Another motor up there. Way up there. Honestly, I couldn't tell you what those are. Looks like maybe parts for meters, maybe. The very top there, those light blue ones. I'm not really sure though. Way up there looks like some more motors on the left, and we got either a duplex. Yeah, I think that's a duplex strainer, a Mueller 4-inch duplex strainer. I believe that's already on eBay. Got some pumps over there. These I think are all rebuilt. This is the Smith Intermec. You can't really see inside there, but I know what that is. That's the 12-inch Smith Intermec. And then we've got a couple of Gorman Rupp pumps. I'm not really sure what's in plastic back there. And we've got this green Gould's. Again, this is our test tank, which is nearly complete. And that is it for the lower pit. I am going to shoot another video for Warehouse 2.